Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to download and save your WhatsApp statuses. First of all, go to File Manager in your Android device. If you can find the File Manager app, you can download it from Play Store. Go to Device Manager. Then go to WhatsApp folder. Then go to Media folder. Then you will find Statuses folder. Here all your daily WhatsApp statuses saved for a day. If you can find statuses folder, then go to settings and make sure that show hidden file option is enabled, because statuses folder is hidden by default. Now you can copy or share WhatsApp status. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos.